Yeehaw partners, welcome back to my channel. Today we are feeding the cats. Look at that water. Hello, Creamsicle. Creamsicle's like the cat mascot here. So we give our cats, we have about 7 of them. We lost a few. But yeah. Excuse me, cat. He's like the fat cat. But yeah, there's Ruby. Ruby's we only really have some of these cats are pet, but 2 of them are like friendly. It's Ruby and Creamsicle. They both want pettings. The other cats, they really don't really, they will take a petting, like he will take a petting, but he doesn't really want one is the thing. There's 2 boys. Creamsicle and this cat's a boy. This one's the only boy that can breed any cats. That gray one back there's a girl, hopefully pregnant. Then Ruby, she's pregnant. I feel like Creamsicle wants the pregnant. Oh, there's Ruby. See, look, she's pregnant, hopefully. Creamsicle looks pregnant, but he's a boy, so he can't. But yeah, we got some chicks in our shed. Now, if you watch my sister's channel, The Chicken Farmer with Ray, you'll see that she does chicken videos. Oh my God, look at this. Yeah, there's some chicks there. So go, guys, go subscribe to our channel. Search up on YouTube, The Chicken Farmer with Ray, and you'll find it. That's my favorite colored cat right there. It's like a mixed color, like a blend color. Yeah, go subscribe. Yeah, she has 7 subscribers, I think, right now, and she really needs. She is like, my channel is about entertaining people. I will do some videos of like how to do things. My sister is gonna do some videos about things, and her channel's just basically on chickens. There is a cow video on there, which I'm trying to put that on my channel, but YouTube was not letting me. So, well guys, this is one of the shorter videos today. Thank you guys for watching. Say bye, Creamsicle. Bye.